The next property we have is conduction of heat. So metals are good conductors of heat. To show this, we will do an activity. For this activity, you will need a setup. You take a stand, a clamp stand. On the clamp stand, you attach a metal wire. You put a burner here. And here, with the help of wax, you stick nails. At certain distance. So let's label this is a clamp stand. This is a Bunsen burner. We have nails or pins, and they are stick to the metal wire with help of wax. You can take a metal rod or a wire. Now when we make this kind of a setup, what you will see is that when the heat is being provided, slowly this nail would fall off. Then eventually this one would fall off, and at last this one would also fall off. So what this shows is that metals conduct heat. The heat from the Bunsen burner will get conducted, and the closer pin would fall off first because the wax would melt with heat, then the next pin, and then so on the further next pin. So this activity, in which we can take up different samples of metal rods, we will see that all metals conduct heat. And that is why metals are good conductors of heat. You will also observe that this rod does not melt. So this rod itself is not affected, and this shows that metals also have a high melting point.